Everybody always asks me, how does the salmon Nutella taste like? The sweet, sweet salmon Nutella. Well, it's very soft. Interesting. Great chicken flavor. Extremely tender. You can almost see the salmon Nutella. It's so pink. You could say that I like my chicken like I like my chicken like I like. We're not gonna say that on YouTube. That's for the Patreons only. Salmon Nutella taste test. That's some high quality salmon Nutella. So soft, so pink, moist. There's some wetness also. You wanna get it in every corner of your mouth to really experience the salmon Nutella at its fullest. Mm. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. See you on the next one.